This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming essentials so the update proceeds without surprises. First, check your Android TV model and OS version in Settings. That determines compatibility. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and have roughly 500 MB free storage, otherwise the update may fail. Now open the Google Play Store app and sign into your Google account if needed. Once done, navigate to the left menu to reveal apps and settings so you can start the update search process immediately. Now you'll search for the Play Store update and handle common blockers. In the Play Store, go to Settings then About and select Check for Updates. If the option appears, install it. If the update doesn't show, exit the store and navigate to Settings Apps Google Play Store. Clear cache and then restart the TV. This refresh often resolves stale data. If that still doesn't work, force stop the Play Store, wait 5 seconds, and reopen it to prompt an update check. Finish by verifying the Play Store updated correctly and take a simple troubleshooting step if needed. Check the app info to confirm the new Play Store version and test installing or updating an app. If the store still misbehaves, remove your Google account under Settings Accounts and add it back. That often resolves sync or authentication problems. As a final measure only, perform a factory reset after backing up settings and apps, because that clears deeper system issues, but erases local data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.